came in the box, right? This is the shorter version right here, right? You should end up with something that looks like this. The shorter one's right there. What's up? This is Gil Vergara back again with another video. Welcome to my garage, aka the shop, where I have another business going over here. But today we're going to talk about the motorcycle, another motorcycle vlog. This is a channel for entrepreneurs who so happen to like staying healthy. Everything about motorcycles, automotive stuff, pretty much what I do, on top of running a small little business. So if that's you, or you're into that stuff, please do not hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. I want to make this an income stream, which it is already, but I want to make it a bigger income stream so I can do more things for, you know, for you guys. So current mods on the bike are, I got the wheel stickers, right? The wheel stickers up in there. Yeah, I gotta clean them up. Got the tank pads, carbon fiber cover here for the gas, and pretty much everything's bone stock. Plans for the future, LED swaps, everything's gonna be done. Turning lights, everything LED. But today we're gonna do something very important for safety. We're gonna put on frame sliders on the motorcycle. So frame sliders. So these are the Amazon ones, and they didn't come with instructions. So I was scouring the internet, and I did find ones that look super similar to them. This is the video right here. Shout out to that person. But this is going to be my rendition of it. I hope it is just as informative. So if you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be putting on the frame sliders. This is what came in the box, right? This is the shorter version right here. This is the right side right here, and this is going to be the left side right here. I believe this is the right side, right, where I guess the coolant is, and this is the other side. These are the bolts that came with it, and that's pretty much it. These are very similar to the Shogun. From there, I'm going to install these for you quickly, take the fairing off the bike, show you that real quick, and then put them on and see how they fit. So this should not be a crazy hard installation. So in order to install these parts here into these right here, we're gonna need a few tools. I had to buy some because I left all my tools back home in the Philippines, but if you guys have it, all the better. If not, this is what I got for this particular install. I do have an impact wrench already, or impact gun type thing. So what I got was a simple torque wrench. This is a 3/8 drive one. I bought an extended hex bit set, all from Harbor Freight. Pretty much a Loctite right here. Pretty much similar to Loctite. This is pretty self-explanatory. All right, so the first part of the install is pretty much making sure that I haven't even gotten into the bike yet, but you know, I want to set it up first and things like that. So we're going to be taking these pieces of aluminum, and these are going to go back here, right? They're going to go back here. On either one of them, we're going to go back here. We're going to be putting these little ones right into it, bolt into it, and as you can see, it fits right in there, right? So you know that this is the right side. I mean, not the right side or the left side. I'm talking about the right side that you're supposed to go into, right? You should end up with something that looks like this. Right, let's do the other one. I'm gonna tighten it up with my wrench. These bolts are a number 5, so I just tighten it just a bit. This is going to go on the bike part. This is gonna be where the actual unit is. So with these smaller bolts, right? These smaller bolts right here, as you can see, these smaller bolts are going to be the ones that hold the actual slider, you know. Thank God I bought the longer ones, because that one would not have fit. So it's gonna go like that, and gonna lock in just like this. Boom, just like that. You know, I'm gonna take off the fairings first, lock these in, lock those in, and then we should be okay. If you are not familiar with taking fairings off this bike, I am not. I haven't done it on this bike yet, but I'm gonna be looking for these pop pins right here. You got hex, you got screws right here, you got that right there. You're gonna be taking everything off. That right there. I believe you're gonna be trying to take this off, the pop pin right here. So if you don't have a screwdriver, I suggest you buy one. It looks like a 3 on here. No, I was wrong. It's a 4. This, I believe, is a 5. And let's try to attempt to take off the fairing here. Okay, so that's one right there is coming off. I'm just double checking if I'm missing anything or whatever. So that one popped off. Okay, seems like there's another one here. Another push pins type. These are very expensive and I don't want to break it. There we go. Slowly. There it is. There's one. Left side, coolant side. Let's put this in a safe place because these things are expensive. This is also where the ram air system is. And it popped out just a bit, so I don't want to break anything. Therefore, just making sure that the seal is there. So let's work on this side first. Then I'll pretty much go on the other side. So this right here is in 8. Right there, it's an 8. Slowly take this off. I don't want to strip it because I'd be screwed here. Okay, good. Only do one by one at a time. You can tell by there's a little recess here where it doesn't touch the VIN plate right here. So we're gonna put the bolt back, the stock bolt back. So now we're gonna put the bolt back. We're gonna put a washer on here. Right, so but I'm gonna put Loctite just to be safe on here. If you feel any type of force, don't force it in. So we're right here. So we're gonna put it just right there. So it just says a touch on there. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a small touch. So I'm gonna run it in there first. Slowly hand thread it in there. I'm gonna slowly throw it in there, right? I'm gonna slowly put it in. Right? Good. So it's gonna sit just like that on the torque wrench. You're gonna put it to 50, but that's what it states. And make sure you do it slow, so you actually hear the click. So remember this piece right here. Be careful. Make sure this covers the coolant housing. Now I'm not going to attach this right now because we're going to have to do it on the other side anyway. I just want to attach these right here and then lock up everything when we're done. I mean, technically we can throw everything in. So let's just finger tight everything inside. It'd probably be a lot safer, so I don't want to lose anything. Should be the same setup here. 5 here. The rest of them, concerning hex keys, should be 4. This is a 5 right here, 5 right here, and 4 is down in the bottom. Let's take care of the 5s first. Let's turn this wheel here a tad bit. Get some clearance. You do have some wires that come through here. They're like almost like the vents, or I guess like the tubes to release extra fluid. So just don't forget to put back these hoses right here. Put these away to the side so they don't get scratched. So once again, we're going to take this one right here. That's going to be an 8. But that wasn't too hard. So that's really loose already. On this side, I want to put a washer on here. This side right here. I want to put a washer on here. Now we're going to put back the fairings. So now we're gonna put on the actual frame sliders, and we're always going to save these stock bolts. This is also an 8 right here, right? As you can see, an 8. The ones that go right here. I'm gonna Loctite. I'm just gonna hand tighten these. I'm not gonna hit it with a machine. You throw that in. I'll put the Loctite on there. Ever so gently drive it in there. There it is. And this is the second one right here. So again, this is the shorter one. So we're gonna throw it on there. I'm just gonna. There it is. So we're pretty much done with this modification. The shorter one's right there. They look pretty nice. And the left one is right there. Sits real nice in there. So once again, this is Gil Cervigaro with Do My Life. I am sweating. I need to go dry up. So once again, thank you. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.